this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan for antenna channels on your Amazon Fire TV. So just on the home screen here, let's go down to settings, and then we are looking for the option for live TV. We can go to the live TV section right here and click it, and we can access the menu through here. And then we just need to go to channel scan. And it looks like I have 836 channels on here. So let's go to channel scan. And most of those are just internet channels that come free with the TV. Please make sure your cable or antenna is set up and plugged into your TV. Okay, so it is. Otherwise, we can go to advanced options, but let's go to next. And it's literally just scanning for antenna channels right now. So if you have that plugged into your coaxial cable on the back of the TV, it should start scanning for those. And place your antenna in a good position. I have mine kind of by the window, but not really. And last time I did this, I think I got like 39 channels, and I moved my antenna to a different spot. So I'll probably get a little bit less channels. I got 27 right now at 42%. So we'll keep going to see what we get. But I think I was right around 39. So sometimes I have to move my antenna to a few different spots to get all the available stations in my area. So I'll even put it up way up high on like a wooden stick or something like that. So I only got 27, and I know I can get quite a bit more. So I know my antenna's not in a good spot. And we can always go to manage channels right here, but we can go to done now. Then press the little TV button on your remote, and you can go straight to the antenna. So let's just make sure this is muted here. And it looks like I got the weather channel. Oh, it looks like, is that Man City playing right now? But let's just go ahead and just get rid of that on my screen and maybe go to something else. But very easy to just scan for channels for air on your Amazon Fire TV. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next there on YourSix Tech.